All right, welcome to this video walkthrough of a Mission Hill, Jamaica Plain, one bedroom, located not too far from the Longwood medical area. All right, so these windows in the living room are facing the adjacent building. All right, it's vinyl hardwood quotes floor throughout. We have a couple of closets, decent sized closet. A little bit of exposed brick right there. Nice little nook to put a desk maybe. Electric stove, some counter space, sink, cabinets up top. We have a vent right there over your stove, fridge. Let's give a little look back. All right, this is the second floor. This is the bedroom. All right, plenty of outlets, cable ready. The windows are facing the rear. Okay, this is the rear of the building. Another set of closets over here. And then we have the bathroom. Okay, we have all your basic needs, your toilet, sink, vanity, standing shower tub combo, some nice vintage lime green tiles for you. There is laundry, coin operated, in the basement, shared. There's plenty of laundry. And it's a great location for several of the universities around Boston, and including Longwood Medical. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Angel at lmcrealtyboston.com. Happy hunting.